Now I would request Qazi Adnan to start the proceedings with a recitation from the Holy Quran. Faisal.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب صدق الله مولانا العظيم.
Now, Qazi Sahib, you are supposed to count the people, ensure that the quorum is complete. We have a quorum of 10 people.
The quorum is complete as I counted there are 12 people.
Now, let's call the meeting to order. And before I start the meeting, let me read the agenda for you guys. At 2 p.m. we are supposed to take the chair by the presentation, then the recitation of the Holy Quran, counting of members to ensure that the quorum is complete, calling of the meeting to order by the chair. Then there comes a few words from the president. Then financial report by Director of Finance. Then there will be a question and answer session. So I will request you not to ask any questions before this period. So when the question and period comes, then ask the questions. And then after that, we'll have to call the meeting to an end after a few words. Now I will start by saying a few words. Brothers, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of the management and office bearers of NLIC, we welcome you and thank you for coming today at this AGM. Alhamdulillah, this is our third AGM at NLIC premises. You all know the history of NLIC, how and when it was formed, and the role of Dr. Sadar is becoming a reality. We thank all those who helped in any way and wish them and their loved ones the best of both the worlds. In the year 2020, we were in a state of lockdown due to COVID-19. There was not much physical activity, although we had a lot of online activity. Directors and different committees met regularly to devise means on how to serve you better. A lot of maintenance work was done. For example, the lights in the lower hall, these halls were changed. Wall fans were installed in the upper hall. Foundation walls were strengthened by putting sand and cement in them. With the collaboration of Ghazali Center, we held 2 series of online lectures, which lasted many weeks. One was Lessons from the Blessed Sirah. This was a series of lectures by Imam Abdul Tawakkal. It was given weekly for 8 weeks. The other was a series of zikr. This was not again, but this was with collaboration of Ghazali. The first one was not. This was with collaboration of Ghazali Center, known as Wird Latif, which continued for a couple of weeks. Despite COVID, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha prayers were held. For Eid al-Fitr we had 3 prayers, and for Eid al-Adha we had 2 prayers. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha melas were also held virtually. They were held virtually. We and community members participated, and each participant was given 30 seconds to give their messages. It was quite a success. Qurbani in Azad Kashmir was undertaken. In Azad Kashmir, Pakistan was undertaken, and 7 cows were slaughtered and meat was distributed by meeting. We also held our annual Sirat conference virtually. For the first time in the history of London, NLIC was illuminated with colored lights. There was a lecture for Imam Tawakkul, and Naats were read, Salam presented, and Shirin was distributed, and food packets were also distributed. We also held a flu shot clinic. This was in collaboration with Midpoint Policy. We were the only mosque in London who opened their doors for Jummah prayers immediately when government gave permission to pray, and held 2, 3 and sometimes 5 Jummah prayers. We were the only mosque in London which offered Tarawih prayers in the first year of COVID. We did a lot of work in 2021 also, but due to the dearth of time, we cannot mention everything. But the important thing is that we kept our expenses low. We kept them low because when the financial reports will be read to you, you will find there were no charges for cleaning of this place or washing of the washroom. There were no charges, we did it ourselves. There were no charges for cutting of the grass in the summer and maintenance of the house, of the lawns outside. There were no charges for removal of snow. The removal of snow was done by our neighbors, Lobo cars. They did it for us free of charge. While the grass was cut by sometimes with some neighbors, sometimes we arranged it ourselves and we did the cutting. We also kept the expenses low. For example, the lights when these were changed, the fans which were installed, we only bought the lights, but labor was free. There were two lion-hearted volunteers, Khizr and Tanveer, they did it. They installed this. The toilets in the washroom were changed. Those old ones were changed, new ones were brought in. But those were also, we only paid for the toilets, we did not pay for the labor, as some of our members from our congregation, they installed it. And as far as thus we kept on floating. It was a tough time. We didn't get all the money we wanted, but we were able to go on because we cut these costs, and on the other hand, we kept the funds coming in. We started a lot of new things. For example, we did a fundraising campaign, online fundraising campaign. We did a crowdfunding campaign. We started a unique way of donating by using Fliptip, which so many people are still using it, but now also suddenly the people have lost interest in it. I would again ask you to buy your groceries and your presents and your fuel through Fliptip, which will give us, you don't lose anything and we get money from it. Let me acquaint you of the services we are offering right now. We are having 2 Jummah prayers regularly. We are having regular Isha prayers. We have started an Isale Sawab group to pray for the deceased in the community and even outside the community. We offer our halls to all those who need it. We have started a WhatsApp prayer group. This prayer group is essentially meant for those who want to come for prayer, because we have regular Isha prayers, but for Maghrib, Zuhar and Asr, if you want to come, you can join this group and just post on it that I am coming, and whoever else wants to come, they can come and join you. This is very successful. This has become very good success. We are having weekly tajweed classes by Imam Mahmood Hadara. This is called Understanding and Quranic Arabic. From next year, besides all that we are doing, we will also be starting weekly Quran Tajweed classes for children. We are starting, this will be starting in collaboration with Ghazali Center. It will be starting from the 1st of January 2020. We are starting an NLIC Cooperative Funeral Arrangement System. NLIC Cooperative Funeral Arrangement System, for which a policy has been formulated and approved by the Board of Directors. We are also opening a brokerage account so that people could donate their stocks and shares to NLIC, thus saving their money and get a charity receipt for further savings from income tax. It's a great scheme. For that, we have asked the help of brother Khalid. He will be in contact with you guys. He will come. He will hold a series of lectures, at least 2 lectures, to acquaint you how to save money, save income tax by donating your stocks to the charity. With these stocks and shares, now this is the important point. With these stocks and shares, we will create a fund. We are going to use them. We are not going to liquidate them and use them. We are going to put them in a fund, which will eventually lead to a creation of an endowment fund for some of future projects, and at the same time, a permanent source of income for NLIC. I will elaborate upon this after the Director of Finance has presented the financial statements for the year 2020. That is before the question and answer session. I will elaborate on this a bit more. Brothers and sisters, in order to run smoothly and bring in some new management blood to NLIC, We had asked for members to come forward and apply to serve the community by becoming directors of NLS. No one applied. So we have requested the present directors to continue for the next term. And they have agreed to do so. Thank you, directors. Hence, there will be no elections today. Now I will call upon, not Bedlam, now I will call upon the Director of Finance to present the financial report for the year 2020. After that, we have a question and answer session, and then we will talk about other things. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I'm going to present two statements over here. The first statement which I am going to present is the revenue and expenditure, and the other one will be the consolidated balance sheet. So these two statements are also posted at the notice board as well, if you wanted to have a look. I wish we should have arranged projector, so that next year we will present it on the wall so that everybody can see. So now I'm going to speak about it. So in the first statement which I'm going to speak about is the statement of revenue and expenditure. In the account of revenue, the donations we received was $65,994,000. And for the expenditures, I'm going to speak only the big accounts which incurred during the fiscal year 2020. So building improvement and maintenance $811, rent $9,040, installment to the principal $40,000, legal fees $1,017, Muslim food plan and Qurbani is $3,281, miscellaneous supplies and purchases $4,425, utilities to run the NLIC is $4,564, property and municipality tax is $3,196. Miscellaneous expenses from other two accounts are, so we have three accounts. One is the main account where we receive the donation, and we have two other accounts where we have zakat, and the other is the sadaqah account. So we have altogether we have three accounts. So for those two accounts, the charges were $1,398, and bank charges for the main account is $1,125. So all together for the expenditure, the total amount is $68,857. So this year our expenditure is higher than the revenue, so we are in the deficit of $2,863. The only thing which I would like to mention over here, you might have, as Madharbai speak about Qurbani. So we received Qurbani amount. First we deposited in our bank, and then we disperse it to the party. So that's why we are presenting Qurbani. So it's Qurbani, we received the money from the person who wanted to do the Qurbani. So the balance sheet. So the first category which is assets. So when we started in 2020, the cash available was $52,027. Purchases and in-kind donations was $23,708. Accumulated amortization, which is in negative, is $2,813. So it includes all the depreciation of the assets which we have over here. Net purchases and in-kind donations $20,894. Building and building improvement is $170,000 and $250. Accumulated amortization for the building is $25,538, which is again in the negative. So net building and improvement is $144,713. So total assets in the 2020 we have is $217,634. Liabilities. So account payable, and our biggest account payable is the property which we rent to own right now, which is $2,227,000. Payment to date is $64,000. So total liabilities is $163,000. So total assets minus total liabilities, so total net asset as of December 2020 is $54,634. So this is, I do have some big purchases which did or expenses over here. So if anybody wanted to have a look, please feel free to come to me and I can show you the expenses which we occurred during 2020. So this is all from me at this moment. Feel free if you have any question, and we are going to have the question answer session as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Now, first of all, before we start the question answer session, let me read to you this letter. I am going to send this to you this week. This letter is about the NLIC funeral policy, funeral arrangement policies. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Subject: NLIC cooperative funeral arrangement policy. Today I wish to talk with you about a very important community issue. As you know, the cost of funeral in Canada has gone up and now to such an extent that it comes as a shock when you learn about the cost. Just the funeral cost today in London, Ontario is over $8,000. For this purpose, NLIC has come up with this proposal so that there is no burden on anyone. The funeral expenses are shared by all the members of the community. All those who become a member of this group will have NLIC Cooperative Funeral Services Committee assist them in their difficult time. In case of the death of a member, the committee will take over and arrange for and pay for everything out of the cooperative funds collected. NLIC will first inform the community through its social media network, then arrange for the movement of the deceased from the hospital, home or hospital to the morgue, then to the mosque for ghusl and salatul janazah. The deceased will then be transferred to the graveyard for burial. Based on the wishes of the family, NLIC Isale Sabah group will also begin the recitation of Quran and arrange for Fatiha at NLIC in due time. If the family needs counseling or financial help, NLIC will arrange that too from its own resources and or with the help of other Muslim organizations. The cooperative funeral arrangement policy is attached for your review. I would request everyone to become a member of this group to establish a strong network of support for all of us and avail the benefit of the services being offered. Cooperative funeral arrangement policy statement. To organize and provide an economical, cooperative, community-based funeral arrangement to the local community. Purpose. The purpose identifies the members of the funeral policy, the jurisdiction of the policy, the booking process, and subsequent steps to be taken, including conditions for approval as well. The use and further disbursement of funds and accumulated fund management. Policy is required so that a transparent, uniform approach can be ensured respecting both NLIC and the funeral group members. Item number 1, general procedure. Sub-item number 1, jurisdiction. The jurisdiction of this policy is London and surrounding area only. Number 2, policy operation. The policy will become operational when at least 50 families or 100 individuals become contributing members. Number 3, membership. Any Muslim family person who lives in London and surrounding area can become a member of this cooperative NLIC funeral committee. This is not committee group. He is not required to be a member of NLIC. It's not must that you have to be a member of NLIC to join this group. He will not be considered a member of NLIC until he pays the NLIC membership fee separately. He will be required to fill a membership form and acknowledge that he has read the funeral policy. The membership form will have to be approved by the board of directors, then only will he become a member. The board of directors has a right to refuse membership to anyone without assigning any reason whatsoever. There is no limit on number of people who can become member of this NLIC cooperative funeral arrangement group. See the definition of family below. Members of good standing are those members who have paid their membership fee and always pay their share of funeral service expenses when called upon. Members who fail to pay their share within 72 hours when called upon will have their membership automatically cancelled and the initial membership fee will not be returned. In case the member wishes to renew his membership again, he will have to go through the whole membership procedure again. Item number 4, lifetime membership fee. Every family individual who wishes to become a member of the funeral arrangement group will pay the following one-time fees for lifetime of the membership. Number 1, for families, $200 plus $50 per family member in the family. For individuals, $200 Canadian. There will be no registration charges and the fee can be paid in installments over a period of 3 months. Now the Funeral Services Committee. NLIC will by a director's resolution form a cooperative funeral services committee which will be responsible to implement and administer this policy. The Cooperative Funeral Services Committee will have a tenure of 3 years. It will consist of 3 members, 1 director from NLIC and 2 committee members from among the NLIC members to be appointed by the director. B. After the committee has been appointed, the bank account opened and the minimum number of membership attained, the Funeral Services Committee will become operational. A detailed SOP will be issued later regarding procedure for the formation of the Funeral Services Committee, nomination of the director and working of the committee. Number 6, funds management. NLIC by a director's resolution will open a separate account in the name of Cooperative Funeral Services. It will be called Cooperative Funeral Services Account, to be operated by the Director of Finance and President jointly. All monies collected for this purpose, that is membership fee, contribution or any donations coming in, will be deposited in this account. The funeral committee will have access to this account through the Director of Finance. The excess money will be put into a funeral fund that will be used by an approval from the board of directors only for the funeral related purposes, so that funeral costs could be brought down and more services could be offered. WhatsApp Funeral Services Group as mechanism to connect with members. Now A, create a special WhatsApp group called Funeral Services Group, which will have all the members listed in it. Members will be called upon to pay their shares of funeral expenses by a post on the WhatsApp group only. The WhatsApp group will not be used for any other purpose. Disbursement procedure. Whenever a call is received by NLIC from a member of good standing that a member has departed or a member of his family has departed, NLIC will forward the information to the Cooperative Funeral Services Committee. And as soon as we get a call, the so-and-so person departed, we call the Funeral Services Committee. Now, a designated member of the Cooperative Funeral Services Committee, which will be by rotation, will contact the deceased family and collect and record all the request information so as to facilitate a hassle-free service. Committee member will, number 1, prepare a post for the social media. Number 2, will call all the required services and set up all schedules in accordance to the wishes of the deceased family. Will prepare an invoice and ask the Director of Finance to release the funds by a check to meet the expenses. 3, in case Isale Sawab group is to be activated, he will inform the Isale Sawab group also. In case further financial or psychological support is needed, committee member will inform the board of directors who will then arrange for that. After completion of the funeral process, committee member will present the total expenses in writing to the board of directors. Next, when the final expenses are received by the board of directors, the Director of Finance will divide the expenses by the number of members and post the share of each member on the WhatsApp group and request the members to pay their share of the funeral cost within 72 hours so that the fund is intact and ready for the next emergency. Number 7, the Cooperative Funeral Committee will be responsible to keep all records and track all payments, installments, donations, etc. and will be responsible to produce them whenever demanded by the Board of Directors or any member of the community. Definitions. Family. Family constitutes father, mother and children under 18 years only, living in the same house or address. It does not include grandparents or grown-up married children. Definition of Funeral Services Committee. Committee, this is the committee responsible for administration of this policy. It will consist of 3 members, 1 director and 2 committee members appointed by the directors. Number 3 definition, member of good standing. Those members who have paid their membership fee and always pay their share of funeral expenses will call upon. Number 4, funeral fund. A separate fund created to house the money collected under this policy. NLIC disclaimers. NLIC will pay only an average of the last 3 funeral costs to those members who move out of London. You know, sometimes you are mega man, you move out of London. So it will pay the average of last 3 funeral costs to those members who have moved out of London or die out of London and or are buried out of London, provided they are members of good standing. NLIC will not knowingly permit any individual or group to use this policy in contravention of the conditions outlined in the policy. Number 3, NLIC will provide all services with utmost honesty and sincerity and will not be responsible for any delays or mishaps. NLIC does not accept any responsibility in terms of what is said or done at any of these events. NLIC does not accept responsibility for any injury or accident that occurs at any of these events. So brothers and sisters, this is the cooperative funeral arrangement policy which we are going to start as soon as we get the required number of members, and which is hopefully from the 1st of January 2020. That was about this. Then the second thing was about the endowment fund which we are trying to create. So in that connection, we will probably in the next 15 days we are going to have a lecture from Brother Khalid. He is going to come here and we are going to invite all of you so that you will know how to, what are the advantages. So you know what happens is when you buy some shares, then suddenly the share prices goes up. When the share prices goes up, there is a limit. After that, you have to pay tax to the government. Either you sell the share, you are in a loss, or you pay tax to the government. Now, when you don't do that, if you give it to a charity, then you save the money, that money also, and you get charity receipt, so that you get income tax refund also. So it's a very good policy, and for that we do that. Then there are 3 other projects which are coming up. They are fantastic projects and completely new initiatives. I am not at liberty right now to tell you about them, but one of them is something which you cannot even achieve. You think that it can be achieved, but it is something really great. And inshallah, in about 2 or 3 months, we will discuss this also. Jazakallah, thank you very much. Now, any question and answer?
I just wanted to make just a comment. I don't know if you know, but the London Muslim Mosque, they have, they're inshallah going to provide A to Z service for funeral. They've acquired a hearse, and so they're going to cut out the funeral home and provide that service for the kid, just so that you know.
It's good.
And
that
so,
means that our funeral costs will go down.
exactly. So the net result will be that inshallah.
I mean, that's a great saving, $3,000 for the funeral cart only.
Yeah.
And then $1,500 for the funeral. We went through all these costs.
Yeah.
When we were doing this work, we went through all those costs. And that is something great, and we appreciate that, and we thank Muslim Box for that.
Yeah. So inshallah.
And we will use their services.
Yeah.
Just मैं add करूँगा, just to add. Today I saw a post from London Muslim Mosque. I guess they have received the hearse
Yes.
from automobile as a donation.
Yeah. It was
Just for your
No problem. All the best. You know, that means the funeral cost is going to go down or more.
Yes.
So suppose there are 100, we have 100 members, and the cost when we had estimated was 8,000. Now if London Muslim has started, then the cost goes down to 5,000, or even less than that.
Yeah.
So if the cost is $5,000 and there are 100 members, so each member, if in case of any death, will have to pay only $50. The rest will come off from the. It will be so nominal. We don't have death every day. Allah, inshallah, Allah na kare. Any other question?
Is there a cap on the amount that to be spent, for example, for psychological things, you might go bigger account or something?
No, there's no cap. There's no cap. Because what we are going to do is we are not going to do everything ourselves. We are going to make use of all the resources which we have in London. Like Muslim Resource Center, the Imam Uncle is there. They are doing counseling, psychological support. Whatever we can do, and then we can ask other organizations to help us. Suppose if somebody, some loan or some people need financial help, we cannot support them all that much, then we will recommend those people to the London Muslim Mosque or Islamic Center, or to somebody else to see that they get what they need, even from the government. So we don't have to do everything ourselves. We have to just to organize things and do them in a proper way.
Okay, thank you.
It doesn't mean that we have to have all the resources. No, we don't have to. We have just to do things in such a way that things happen.
Yeah, I was yesterday, sorry, in the mosque, in Hayat Mosque, on Friday, and they have a special organization. They give us some papers. They do some help in these areas.
Yeah, there's so many people do it. There's some philanthropists who do
Supported
it.
by the
We can
government.
get in touch with somebody.
Maybe we can cooperate with these people to reduce the cost.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
There are so many ways of we can do things.
Thank you.
We are not going to planning to do everything ourselves.
What I understood is that regardless of the financial position of the member, it is just like a kind of insurance that you pay your,
Yes, it's sort of
you are in a
insurance.
good standing, and that would automatically be covered the funeral cost for a member. So that means it will be obligation of this group to take care of the funeral charges for the member.
Yeah, so this is a one window operation. NRC is going to do everything from A to Z. Just give us a call. That Allah Ta'ala, you give us a call that such a person has died. What we are going to do is, as soon as we receive the call, we are going to ask the committee, well, listen, such a person call, this is phone number, contact him. They will contact him. And then ask him where is he? Is he in a hospital or is he at home? Then when do you want to have the burial? When all these questions, we have prepared a proper questionnaire for that. Then he will ask the question and fill in those forms. The committee member. When he has filled up this form, he is going to call them and say, okay, now everything is set, this is your timing, you don't have to worry. It's all the psychological pressure of finding an imam, finding a mosque, where to bury, running after things, everything is gone.
What is the annual fee on each member? For each member, what is the annual fee?
There is no annual fee.
Annual contribution.
No annual contribution,
There
no
is
fee,
one time
just
fee?
one time fee, $200.
One-time fee.
For one
$200.
person,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, by the way. So membership will be $200 plus $50 per person additional.
Yes.
So what will happen if, just suppose if there is a funeral, so we will give the check of $8,000 and then we will post the amount in the WhatsApp group, and everybody, like if we have 50 members, the $8,000 will be divided by 50 members, and everybody have to contribute that amount.
So that means
Yeah.
whatever each member is paying, say $50,
Yeah.
$200
$200
one time
Yeah.
plus $50.
Is it plus 50 or plus 1?
Let's talk about one member.
Yeah,
Average
$200.
Okay.
$200.
Let's talk about one member only.
$200.
One member, $200.
Yes.
One time.
One time.
Joining fee.
Yeah.
What is $50?
No, so
let me explain. Now what happens is that we get a call and a person dies and we pay his funeral expenses. Let's say the funeral expenses, just for sake of argument, is $8,000.
Yeah.
So we paid the expenses, now our account is free. We have paid $8,000 for the funeral and we are done. Now after the funeral, when we had received that the amount that is $8,000, we will divide by the number of members. So if the number is 100, then share of each member comes to $80. So we will post it on the WhatsApp group and ask the members to pay us $80 immediately, within 72 hours. When every member pays back $80, then our original amount of $8,000 has come back. And we are ready for the next
Yeah.
emergency.
So there is no 50.
no,
It is just one time $200.
For example-
And then whatever the expensive.
For
ones,
example,
those will be
for
divided
example,
by-
for example,
divided on the
for
number.
example, this year, they are doing the same thing in Toronto.
Mhm.
Now, their share for per member is coming to $4.
Yeah, that's very economical.
Very economical.
Yeah.
So $50 which I was talking about, like my contribution, my registration will be $200, for my wife $50.
Family.
Family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what we were
For
talking
family.
about.
Okay.
And under 18.
No,
right?
that
Under plus
And
under 18.
Yes, no doubt.
Okay. Yeah.
That need a
So
elaboration which is good.
this
Yeah,
means
which is
we are
good.
contributing. We all are contributing for the funeral.
For the members,
This is a cooperative funeral
Yeah.
arrangement.
yes, so cooperative funeral member committee, my second question. Members can be men as well as women?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so because I heard a couple times just the word he in the letter you read. So that why it came in my mind. Yeah, it should be a rest he and she,
Yeah.
he slash she.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other question? Yes, sir.
Do you have any other agenda item? Or-
No, that's all.
So can I speak?
Huh?
May I comments? कुछ करें?
Sure. come.
मैं आप ही
अच्छा.
And first of all, thank you very much. जो भी last years की आपने development और it is impressive. लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा confused हूँ कुछ चीज़ों में. This is a AGM or a properly formatted AGM. I was confused that it is going to be information session or we are getting like last year's minutes approved from the AGM and then the resolutions for the today approved from the AGM.
Then, I forgot.
We can.
We have to written down.
Yes, and then we can present board of directors slate before the AGM so they can approve it. Otherwise, I think things will be jumbled.
Yep. Okay, now, in this connection, just what we said, I forgot this paragraph. In
Also,
this-
before, are you going to have more questions on that?
Yeah, let's have get through the concerns.
I just noticed that the accounts were for 2020, I think, right?
20 what?
2020.
The accounts were for 2020.
Yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
So, and this is just a, first of all, I mean, like Tariq Saab said, you guys have done a great job. I mean, through difficult times, and you continue to support the community. What you're doing is top notch, right? We appreciate it.
Thank you.
So whatever questions we have, I think, are just for
Yes.
opportunities, right?
Make us better.
Yeah, but here we are in December 2021. We should consider, or the board should consider, that having the AGM after the financial year is over, within, in fact, I think the act actually specifies there's a time limit, and we are probably way past the time limit here.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just one minute.
yeah,
Our constitution
yeah,
says that the AGM should be called in the first quarter of every year.
okay,
That's what our constitution says.
right,
Now what happened was that there were some problems when we started initially, because we started in October in 2018. So we could not have had an AGM in January or February. There were no accounts, nothing.
right,
So, and then Ramzan is coming in March, April, February. So up to next year there will be this problem. After that, we are going to shift this back into the first quarter.
yeah, because.
Next year we are going to inshallah have in after Ramzan, between Ramzan and Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha we'll have the next AGM.
Yeah, because the picture we are getting on the
Yeah,
financials
it's very
is
good.
with way
It's
too
very
late,
good.
right?
Very good.
Yeah,
But
like,
it does not, it's not allowed by constitution. We had to pass a special resolution last time.
yeah,
For the next 3 years, we passed it for the year 2020, 2019, 2020 and 2021 and 2022. That the AGM will be held late due to circumstances and the Ramzan. After that, it has to move back to the first quarter of that.
so can you or Naveed sir maybe comment, like, what is our deficit so far? It's, I mean, that you had $2,800.
Yeah, so the,
But right now, are we fine? Are we
No,
breaking even?
that,
Are we,
right now we are fine.
we are,
We are fine, we are okay, because we had cut the expenses down tremendously. If you see the details, they are hardly any expenses. There is no entertainment expense, there is no fuel, there is nothing is there.
right,
We do it all on our own. Even when we meet here and we have sweets and things like that, like
Yeah.
today, we don't put it in expenses. We share it between the directors and ourselves.
right.
We never charge anything to the
Yeah, I don't think there's any question about
Yeah,
the
and,
integrity of that.
So,
But just opportunity-wise, like, so there was an item that said property taxes, right?
yeah, property tax, yeah.
But this is a place of worship.
Yeah.
So aren't places of worship?
No, there's a technical problem in that.
Yeah.
Two things first. Number one, places of worship are not exempt from property tax. Number one. Number two, even if we had been expanded, we could not have used it because we are on rent-to-own basis. We are not the owners of this place.
Okay. Yeah, we should look into that a little bit.
Yeah, but we can only look into it when we pay off the whole amount and get
Yeah.
the thing transferred and then there are lot of facilities are going to come to us. For example, if we rent a hall, government hall, we get a 40% deduction if we are in the same area on property. Are you paying property tax?
Like any HST we are paying now?
Yeah, well, we
Should be, like we should be getting that all rebated
yeah,
back?
we'll take it. We're waiting.
Okay, so those are all.
Yeah.
And the last question I have is this facility or committee, is it incorporated or is it just a members association?
NLSE?
Yeah.
It's a registered charity. I'm not for profit, and a registered charity.
But is it
CR.
incorporated or an association?
It's incorporated.
It is
It is
incorporated?
incorporated.
Okay.
Because they can issue
Charity receipts,
charity.
income tax receipts.
I think, but even a members association.
No,
No,
they
no.
can't.
I mean, to get the charity status, you
They have to
be-
incorporate it? That's good.
Okay, any other question? Achha, no, in this connection, also in some other routine matters such as opening of the brokerage account and creation of a fund and formation of the funeral committee, etc., some resolution was passed by the directors. We request the House to approve all these resolutions which were passed, so there are routine matters would keep on going on. So please, if all those in favor of passing the resolutions, please raise their hands. Please raise them. Everything is passed. Thank you. Now, all resolutions can pass. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा प्रोसीजरल
अच्छा सही करा दे हमने तो कभी किया नहीं ना
बिकॉज कि हम ये एक
करते रहते हैं
फॉर्मेट है तो ये एवरीथिंग इट विल रजिस्टर्ड होता ये है कि ईदर जब आप रेजोल्यूशन करते हैं या तो एक एक पास करते हैं या फिर उसके लिए एक रेजोल्यूशन करते हैं कि मैं सारी रेजोल्यूशन इकट्ठी कर रहा हूँ तो वो फिर एजीएम वोट करती है तो फिर आप इकट्ठा उसको
अच्छा
तो आई थिंक ये मिनट्स के अंदर इसको काइंडली कर लीजिएगा वरना ये कल कुछ भी हो सकता है
ठीक है मैं उसके रेजोल्यूशन पास करा के और उसको इकट्ठा कर दूंगा
और वन बाय
और
वन
one by
जिसमें
one.
डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस पे अपने अकाउंट्स किए तो दैट शुड हैव बीन आस्क्ड राइट अवे
Right away.
फॉर क्लोज फिर उसके बाद अगली फिर
Oh,
उसके
yeah,
बाद-
yeah.
ठीक है थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड एंजॉय सम टी
No, just one.
क्वेश्चन है भाई
Yeah,
यस सर
Zain bhai.
I just wanted to know, mashallah, you're doing a lot of work, and I think all the community and everybody is appreciative. But in your opinion, why is it that like there was nobody applied for any directorships? And so, what's your sense of the community involvement? And is there can be some opportunities to get more involvement? Just
you know the thing is every time when we have a meeting directors meeting it is very frequent at least 2 to 3 times a month and whenever we sit down we all this one of the topics which always comes up how to get the community more involved this always comes up and we always do a lot of brainstorming on it the conclusion or sort of conclusion which we have reached is number one that we are too far from the city if we had been somewhere near Hyde Park believe me the whole place would have been full in all prayers, it would not have left empty. And because then people would have come, and then we would have got talent on board. If people don't come, then you don't get output from it. You can't get people from there. In order to this, it will take some time. It will take another 3 or 4 years at least before the people around here are moving in, and then we have some people who come in. We started Fajr. I tried everywhere. I asked everybody. For 4 months, I came alone. And for nearly 2 months, I was the only person who used to come. Open the mosque, say azan, do my prayer, and go back. When we started Isha, twice we started and failed. But this time, alhamdulillah, from the last Ramzan to today, we have not had a single closure. We had Isha every day, without failure. But then, even now, sometimes I am the only person here. I come here, do azan, and say prayer, and there is nobody. Although I keep on requesting people to come. So the basic thing is that it is not convenient for people to come and participate in events here so far. So that is why in order to overcome that, what we are doing is we have started these projects like Funeral Arrangement Committee, Vaisale Sawab. Now you don't have to come here. This was we thought we could overcome this problem. Now people are getting involved. Vaisale group is a very favorite program. Everybody loves it. And now this funeral committee, I think, is going to be another hit. And the next 3 programs we are also bringing, they are fantastic. When you see them, you will really, really appreciate them. And one of them especially is something unbelievable. Nobody could have visualized it. I'll be literally there in 6 months.
So it's adjourned now?
Yeah, that's adjourned. Yeah.
Can we dry ourselves before we eat? So,
I think eating comes first, doesn't it?
sorry?
Eating comes first.
Naved bhai, do you have any agenda to overcome this deficit amount or to pay the full amount of LIC? As Mother Saab said, people are not coming because it's far away from the London city. When we paid off fully for this one, then we can move from inside the London city.
I will answer the question. Let me answer. Yes, sir.
My comments, it's not the answer, but I think it's a matter of acceptability among the community, and now it is getting. So I think in next year, it will be much better.
What is the membership number? How many people
Right now we have
actually?
74 members,
74 paid members.
paid members. And inshallah next year we will have at least 150 members. At least, this is my belief.
That is just your assumption or?
It's my belief.
No, but the thing is, no, I mean, this is something serious.
Yeah.
You know, it's been 3 years, right?
Yeah.
But out of this 3 years, 2.5 years are covered.
Yeah,
Don't
but
forget it.
all other institutions are running and all businesses are surviving.
They are
And-
surviving.
Yeah, I mean, but, I mean, here, mashallah, the community is big enough and majority is in good financial position at London in particular. London is one of the lucky cities
Yeah.
for us that we have very financially sound people living in here. So what I believe, any institution runs in a good way and the financial position gets stronger when people have more confidence on the institution.
Right.
I totally agree with you, this is a little far away. Somebody has to plan to come here, that's true. That's a great idea when it is paid off and then we have some down payment and we can go for a bigger investment. That was the reason this was bought. From first day I was in conversation when this was bought. Finance is the major issue at that time. So, are we trying to make it such an institution which does not depend on the certain people? That we don't need to say that, I heard that's a great effort by especially you, I saw you here cutting bushes and cleaning and stuff, right? But that's not the purpose of establishing such a institution. It should be self-generating income,
Yeah.
right? So, and from last 3 years, the success has not been achieved. That's from financial point of view. Members should not be coming and cleaning and doing toilets and doing snow, right? So, how more community can be involved? What kind of effort has been done or needs to be done? I know myself, I was 70% away from London, especially in 2021. 2020 was similar. I'm here, I'm 1 month off, I will be trying to come more here. But what the directors have planned in coming days, that membership can go from 74 to 150. Is there any plan we can participate?
This is all these are part of the plan. This Al Sawab group is a part of the plan. When we realized that physically we are far and people will not get involved, so we have now programmed in such a way, all our new programs are programmed that they will be online. People will be sucked in online. The first was the Isal Sawab and we succeeded. Lot of interest was generated from the community and people really participated. And because of that, you would be surprised. But I don't have the real figure at present, but I know that the day we started this Isal Sawab group, the next month our membership jumped up by 20%. And let's say membership jumped up by about 20 people. From their home they started sending their membership fees. In the initial year, in 2020, we had only 45 members. This year we have 75, just because there is Isal Sawab. Then the services which we offered, for example, the Friday prayers, the Tarawih, no other mosque had it in the whole of London. We were the only one who did it in 2020. And the Friday No other mosque was open. We were the only guys who were open. And we were offering 6 prayers, 7 prayers, Friday prayers.
That's how I came to know about you.
Yeah. So people came, so people get involved. Slowly, gradually, we are involving people. And people are coming up.
MashaAllah, you guys are doing very well for the community. But you cannot force the people. People need to come forward, right?
That's
the
the
problem.
yeah, you're right. So that's what I wanted to add. Like we try to offer many programs, many initiatives, and we want the community to participate in those.
Participating. Yeah.
That's what we want from you guys, so that we can grow, and we all can grow together.
And we are having a nice
Just
time.
my
And-
comment.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have seen this space back in 2019, and I have now in this space. It is entirely different. जो हमने 2019 में इसको देखा था और आज ये जिस condition में है, that's marvelous. And frankly, because of my exposures in these things, posting like less than $3,000 as a like loss is nothing to run a organization of this size.
Organization.
So I think we should be optimistic that,
Yeah.
and we should try our level best at our end to bring home
Bring the
more
people.
members.
Yes.
Yeah, more
Yes,
members.
of course.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, it's a matter of time.
After a little more time, but the 2.5 COVID years were very bad. Really, they were very bad. They just set us back. Well,
And
come on,
honestly-
let's have some tea.
Yeah.
You
And
have
honestly,
to adjourn the meeting.
Yeah, you have to.
You have to adjourn the proper.
You have to tell the meeting.
You have to announce.
You have to
Meeting
announce.
is broken. You have to present a.
Okay, now this meeting has comes to an end. It should be adjourned. Somebody present the resolution.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, then.
Okay, I second.
Thank you.
All those in
All say
favor?
yes?
Say aye.
Thank you.
Yes.
Next time.